Welcome to 11 Oakside Drive, an immaculately maintained 3+2 bedroom brick bungalow situated on a premium-sized lot backing onto green space just minutes from historic downtown Uxbridge. A tumbled stone walkway lined with evergreens and perennials leads to a charming covered front porch with a tumbled stone floor as well. And beyond the entry door is a beautifully appointed home with almost 4,000 square feet of living space in total between the main and lower levels. Finished with crown moldings throughout, the main level has a naturally bright, open concept design, and richly hued, upgraded hardwood flooring flows throughout most of this level. A gorgeous contemporary chandelier brings modern elegance and ambient lighting to the dining room, while the sun-washed living room is flooded with bright natural light through an arched south-facing window, its size and grandeur enhanced by a vaulted ceiling above it. Directly off the ceramic-tiled foyer is this level's third bedroom, which is also well-suited as a home office or den, and which features a double French door entry, a closet, as well as an oversized south-facing window. Large windows to capture the maximum amount of natural lighting are featured throughout the home, as are upgraded light fixtures, including the lovely wall sconces seen in the living room and those in the very generously sized family room. The north-facing windows here are complete with California shutters and provide views of the nearby ravine setting, while a gas fireplace brings added warmth and coziness to this informal yet elegant entertaining space. The adjacent kitchen and its breakfast area are finished with ceramic flooring, with this exceptional and beautifully updated workspace also showcasing crisp white cabinetry with contemporary hardware, molded uppers and undermount lighting, a new stainless steel stove and built-in microwave range hood, tiled backsplashes and stone countertops, a stainless steel side-by-side fridge freezer, as well as an island with seating, a dishwasher, and a stainless steel double undermount sink. Pot lights and a contemporary light fixture complement the natural light that streams through a sliding door walkout complete with California shutters, while finishing the pantry wall in the breakfast area are open display and storage shelves. The walkout opens onto a raised deck that is covered by a pergola and which steps down to the privacy of a fully fenced backyard. The deck also has a panoramic view of the picturesque green space beyond the back fence, which has the Maple Bridge Trail running through it, one of the over 300 kilometers of trail systems within the township that has earned Uxbridge the designation of the Trail Capital of Canada. A move-in ready Energy Star home that has been professionally painted throughout. Other exceptional features include a heat recovery and ventilation system, a water softener, a central vacuum system, a garage door opener and remote, as well as an irrigation system. Off the hallway to the two remaining bedrooms on this level are both coat and linen closets, an updated 4-piece washroom with ceramic tiled finishes, and a vanity with stone counter, undermount basin, and contemporary lighting. As well as a sunken laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, ceramic flooring, a modern sink, cabinetry storage, and access to the double-car garage. The second bedroom is very spacious and features ample closet storage, California shutters on its window, and a beautiful flush mount light fixture. The master suite is bright, airy, and enjoys unobstructed views of the green space through its oversized window. Also featuring a spacious walk-in closet, this private retreat has an upgraded 5-piece ensuite washroom with a spa-like aura, and which showcases motion-activated vanity lighting, a corner soaker tub and a separate shower area with glass door, tiled finishes throughout, California shutters on the window, as well as a beautiful wood vanity with coordinating mirror, stone counter, and undermount basins. hardwood railing along the open area above the staircase is carried with it to the finished walkout lower level. And the stairs, as well as most of this level, features upgraded broadloom for coziness throughout. The huge recreation area showcases California shutters on its windows and sliding door walkout, pot lighting, and a built-in shelving unit. And off this space is the first of two very spacious bedrooms, this one having a walk-in closet and pot lights as well. The recreation area also features the added warmth of a gas fireplace, as well as a stunning wet bar with a stainless steel sink, stone counter, and mosaic backsplash. And with lots of room for conversation and games areas, has plenty of space for entertaining. The walkout has a ceramic tiled interior landing, and the glass doors open onto a tumbled stone patio area covered by the backyard deck. This level also has wonderful potential as an in-law suite, and additionally features a large unfinished storage room, as well as an upgraded 3-piece washroom with ceramic finishes, a vanity with countertop basin, and a shower area with glass door. With this washroom also having semi-private access from the second bedroom, which features an oversized window with California shutters, sconce lighting, and a large double closet. A great family home that is also ideal for retirees and nestled in a quiet neighborhood backing onto lush green space. Uxbridge's historic downtown is just minutes away, as are most prime amenities, including a hospital, schools, community and sports facilities, restaurants, grocery stores, places of worship, and much more, while the opportunity to explore the town's extensive trail system is just beyond the backyard and a short walk away.